In this session, we will learn about division algorithm for polynomials. Before coming to the topic, I want to solve some examples here. So first example, divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. All of you know how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. So let us start. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So then here 2x square plus 4x. So this is minus x plus 1. Then minus 1 minus x plus 1. Minus x minus 2. So here 3 is the remainder. So we got here 3 is the remainder where x plus 2 is the divisor and 2x minus 1 is the quotient. So 2x square plus 3x plus 1 should be equal to x plus 2 whole into 2x minus 1 plus 3. Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied with quotient plus remainder. Whether the right hand side will be equal to left hand side or not, we will prove it. So what is, we have to multiply these two polynomials, then 2x square minus x plus 4x minus 2 plus 3. So this becomes 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. So here we prove that dividend is equal to divisor multiplied with quotient plus remainder. One thing you have to remember, we will continue this division process until we get a remainder 0 or another polynomial which has a degree less than the degree of the variable. So here remainder is 3. Next example, divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. So before starting the division, first we have to remember we have to arrange the dividend and divisor according to the decreasing order of the variable, degree of the variable. So the variable's degree, the degree of the variable should be in decreasing order, or that is known as the standard form of representing a polynomial. So here the dividend is in the standard form. So we have to make this divisor into standard form. So divisor is x square plus 2x plus 1. Then so dividend is already in the standard form. So we have, now we will divide the dividend by divisor. So 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 divided by x square plus 2x plus 1. So this is x, 3x, then 3x cube plus 6x square plus 3x. So this becomes minus 5x square minus x plus 5. Then minus 5. Minus 5x square minus 10x minus 5. So this becomes 9x plus 10. So here we got the remainder whose degree is less than the degree of the divisor. So we have to stop here in our division process. So now this is the dividend. So 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. It should be equal to divisor x square plus 2x plus 1 multiplied with 3x minus 5 plus 9x plus 10. So we have to verify whether the right hand side will be equal to left hand side or not. So this is 3x cube minus 5x square plus 6x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 5 plus 9x plus 10. So this becomes 3x cube plus x square minus 10x plus 3x plus 9x. So this is plus 2x plus 5. This is equal to left hand side. So here also dividend is equal to divisor multiplied with quotient plus remainder. We have verified this. Here the statement of division algorithm for polynomials. If p of x and g of x are any two polynomials with g of x is not equal to 0, then we can find polynomials q of x and r of x such that p of x is equal to g of x multiplied with q of x plus r of x. In our previous examples, we have proved that dividend is equal to divisor multiplied with quotient plus remainder. So here the polynomial p of x is the dividend, g of x is the divisor, and q of x is the quotient, and r of x is remainder. So where r of x may be 0 or the degree of this polynomial r of x should be less than the degree of g of x or degree of the divisor. So this is division algorithm for polynomials. So according to this algorithm, let us solve some problems. Divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square. So here the dividend is this polynomial and this is the divisor. We have seen that the dividend and the divisor are not in standard form. So before doing the division, we have to make them in standard form. So dividend in the standard form is minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Then divisor in standard form minus x square plus x minus 1. We have to make the polynomials in the decreasing order of the degrees of their variables. So here we will do the division. Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 divided by minus x square plus x minus 1. So here I will put x. So this becomes minus x cube plus x square minus x. So this becomes 2x square minus 2x plus 5. Then here I will put minus 2. So 2x square minus 2x plus 2. So this becomes 2 plus 2x minus 2x, then 5 minus 2, 3. So 3 is the remainder here. So we have to verify whether the division algorithm is satisfied here or not. So dividend is minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to minus x square plus x minus 1 whole into x minus 2 plus 3. So we have to solve the right hand side. So this becomes minus x cube plus 2x square plus x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 plus 3. So this is equal to minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. So this is verified. The dividend is equal to divisor multiplied with quotient plus remainder. Example, find all zeros of 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. If you know that two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. So let the polynomial is denoted as px. So p of x is equal to 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. So here it is given that root 2 and minus root 2 are two zeros. So x minus root 2 whole into x minus minus root 2 is a factor of p of x. So this implies x square minus 2 is a factor. So to know or to find the other factor, we have to divide p of x by x square minus 2. So let us find the other factor by division. So 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 divided by x square minus 2. So here I have to put 2x square. So 2x to the power 4 minus 4x square. So this is minus plus. So minus 3x cube plus x square plus 6x minus 2. So again I have to put here 3x. So minus 3x cube plus minus 3x multiplied with minus 2. So plus 6x. So this is plus, this is minus. So x square minus 2. So plus 1 here. X square minus 2. So remainder becomes 0. So here we know p of x is equal to x square minus 2 whole into 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So to find the other zeros, we have to factorize this. So this becomes x square minus 2, this is 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1. So this is equal to x square minus 2 whole into 2x, x minus 1 minus 1 into x minus 1. So this is equal to x square minus 2 whole into 2x minus 1 into x minus 1. So this is equal to, already it is factorized as x plus root 2 whole into x minus root 2 into 2x minus 1 x minus 1. So from this we can find x is equal to root 2 minus root 2 1 by 2 and 1. So these are the four zeros of this polynomial p of x. So this is all about the division algorithm for polynomials. You can use this algorithm to solve further problems.